Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. We're back again with another post-market video. So today was very interesting. We're gonna talk about some top stocks for sure that you should be watching, and also we're gonna talk about the SPY. So this morning, I told all of you that if the SPY goes deep in this region right here, I will be extremely bearish on the SPY. But so far it's looking great. Like it's looking so good. But the one thing that I do want to see, and I really want to see that tomorrow, is I want the SPY to go like from right here, go sideways, and then dump all the way down to like back here. All the way down here before I see a move upward. Like I really want to see that. I want to see that happen tomorrow. Number one, this would be a lot more attractive to dip buyers to get in, and number two, it would just be easier for everybody, honestly. Like, but I really want to see that. So do not be surprised if it opens at 146, and I will cover it deeply tomorrow morning. Also, let's talk about, for those of you who dropped your stocks in the comment section of this morning's video, we're going to talk about those videos as well. But before we do that, I want to talk about Disney. And yeah, let's talk about the mouse. So Disney shot up like right here. It went from 124 all the way up to 132 and then came all the way back down to where it all started. Okay. So right now, the way I'm looking at Disney, this is looking kind of good. It's looking really good, and I would not be surprised to see the stock push up in the next few days. Tomorrow, we may see a slight pullback, especially if what I want from the SPY actually happens. We may see a slight pullback, which will be kind of great. Like just a drop all the way down to like 126 before we move up even further. So this is definitely something that you want to watch for the next few days. I'm not bearish on Disney at all. I'm really not. So definitely keep your eyes on this one. Now let's talk about you guys' stock. Okay, let's go down to the comment section below. Like I always say, if you got stocks that you want to talk about, definitely drop them in the comment section below. Okay. And the very first stock that we're going to talk about. Oh, by the way, newsflash: Peloton is going to 150. All right, so do not be surprised to see Peloton to 150. I might actually get what I want here. So yeah, I want Peloton to get to 150. If it can go higher, that'll be great. Like 150, 155, just anywhere up there, like really quickly. Like I would love to see that. So I got my eyes on Peloton for sure. This is not gonna last forever. So just newsflash out there, okay? So let's talk about your guys' stock now. So the next one that we're gonna talk about is BBY. Yeah, let's talk about BBY. BBY, no BBBY. That's the one. Three B's. Yeah. So far so good. The stock is actually showing a pretty bullish pattern on the 1 hour chart, and it broke out a few days ago. And honestly, as a short seller, I would not get in the front of that. I think it may run up to anywhere in here, like anywhere in there. That is my honest opinion on BBY. It's looking pretty good. Short sellers were not there to try to short this. Like this is just not. It's not a smart decision to go short on this. And if you're looking at the aftermarket, like it's grinding up slowly, like it's going up in this very nice slope, I guess. But yeah, I'm not getting in the front of that. And I do think I am bullish on it until I become bearish on it. So for right now, I am bullish on it. That is my opinion on BBY. So definitely keep your eyes on BBY or BBBY for the next few days, okay? For the next few days. The next one that I want to talk to all of you about is SPAC. Okay, let's look at SPAC really quick. I saw that a few times throughout my video, and I want to know what this is all about. Okay, so far I'm not liking the way it's looking. Okay, I'm definitely not liking the way it's looking. Yeah, I will stay away from this one. Personally, it's not attractive to me at all. I don't like this. I don't like it at all. Like honestly, I don't like it yet. Maybe later it might show something more obvious, but as of right now, I will just stay away from it. There's barely anybody like at this party. There's nobody here. Yeah, so stay away from this one. I don't like it personally. I wouldn't touch it. If you find value in it, again, it's your money. Do what you want, but I'm not touching this one at all. So the next one that I want to talk to all of you about is apps. Steady growth for the past 5 years. Okay, so let's check it out. APPS. So this one I did mention it quite a few times in my channel, and it's been going up steadily. Short sellers got squeezed right here, right there. Another set of short sellers got squeezed right here. It's running up even more, and as of right now, I'm actually not bullish on the. I'm not bullish on this at all. Like on this chart, there is an abandoned baby pattern. Abandoned baby right there. For all of you beginners who don't know what an abandoned baby pattern is, let's go on here. Let's go on Google. Again, just a brief education for y'all. Abandoned baby pattern. All right, and then image. There it is. Yeah, there is the abandoned baby. There you go. Yeah. So this right here is what I'm seeing. I'm not bullish on the stock at all. I'm not gonna put my money in here long. No way. No, this is definitely it looks really good for short sellers, in my opinion. Again, this is just my opinion, but that's what I see. So that is my honest opinion on apps. So let's move on to the next one. The next one that I want to talk to y'all about is Target. Okay, Target. Target was the number one stock of August, which I talked to everybody about earlier this year when it was right around this region at exactly like right there. And the stock just kept going all the way up and all the way up. And right now it's not showing any signs of weakness at all. So yeah, it's really not showing a weakness. It dropped a little bit but recovered immediately. I would not be surprised to see these short sellers being taken out and for the stock to run up even higher. And just like I'm not bearish on this one yet, I'm also not bearish on BBY, which is Best Buy. Yeah, I'm not bearish on that one either. I wanted to save this one for last. This one is looking pretty good. I do expect the stock to run higher. If you look at it post market, it's not looking weak at all. Yeah, the previous high got taken out, and I do expect the stock to run up a little higher. How high can it go? I think if it's a steady growth like that, it can easily reach. It can do a slow grind all the way up to like 135, or minimum 130, maximum 135. Again, but if it's really fast and really extended, it may not last very long. So that is my very honest opinion on BBY. Yeah, so for the last one, let's talk about Chewy. I did say BBY was the last one, but let's talk about Chewy. And Chewy, I'm not too bullish. I'm not too bearish on it at all. Yeah, I'm not. I would be worried if it like opened lower at $62 and then faded and dropped. Then you should be looking to buy puts and make money as it drops. But right now, like after market, this thing popped. It's not looking weak at all. All of these short sellers are probably panicking right now. Really panicking right now. They were hoping for the stock to drop lower, and then this happens. This is not a good look. So this is my honest opinion on Chewy and the top stocks that you should be looking. All right, just keep your eyes on these for the next few days. Tomorrow's Friday, but it could run into next week as well. Okay, so if you got value from this video, don't forget to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, if you're new to this channel, definitely subscribe and click on the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on the pre-market video 15 minutes before the market opens and the post-market video after the market near 7 p.m. Also, if you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul Nguma or at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. For the beginners looking to get started in the stock market, there are step-by-step links in the description of the video. If you look at them, it goes from 1 to 4. The first two links are to get signed up with Webull and with Robinhood. Webull offers you two free stocks if you use the link below, and Robinhood offers you one stock if you use the link below as well. Once again, my name is Paul with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I'm going to see all of you tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning at 8:15 Central Time. It should be fun.